Hello. This video is a guide to the different UPS topologies that we have at Power Inspired and will show you what the fundamental differences are between the units in order to help you make a more informed choice. Let's first look at the Power Inspired VIS 1500G. This is a line interactive UPS and I want to show you how line interactive units deal with changing input voltages. The UPS LCD is showing what the input voltage is, and the fluke meter is showing what the output voltage is. As we increase the input voltage, you can see that the output voltage also increases, until it becomes out of tolerance and the UPS bucks the voltage downwards. When the voltage is reduced, the UPS comes out of buck mode and the output again follows the input. When the voltage continues to fall, the UPS now enters boost mode where the output voltage is increased. These buck and boost modes are designed to stop the UPS unnecessarily going onto battery power to preserve the battery, which happens here when the voltage is too low for boost to keep the output voltage in tolerance. Since the output voltage is somewhat independent of the input, line interactive units are designated VI, voltage independent. Now let's look at an online double conversion UPS. This is the Power Inspired VFI 1500T+. Online double conversion technology means the output is via the inverter at all times. As a result, it is fixed and unwavering. You can see here, even though the input voltage reaches ridiculously high levels, the output is fixed. As we reduce the voltage, the same is true, and the UPS does not enter battery mode until the voltage is very low. This is what we mean when we say online technology has a very wide input voltage window. As the voltage is increased, then the unit will come out of battery mode and all the time the output voltage is unchanged. Since the voltage, and also the frequency, are independent of the input, online units are designated VFI, voltage and frequency independent. Since line interactive units are not running from the inverter, there is a transfer time when it changes from mains to battery. So here you can see that there is a slight gap when the mains fails before the inverter starts and takes over. This is only in the region of 10 milliseconds however, so the vast majority of equipment will not notice this. Now repeating with the VFI online unit, you can see there is no transition. This is why online units are often referred to as no-break UPS. Now one other factor is the waveform type that is present when the UPS reverts to battery. If I can show you the VIS output once more, you can see that the inverter output is a sine wave like the input. A sine wave output waveform is given the suffix S, hence this unit is VIS. The VIX product is line interactive, but in order to reduce cost it has a non-sine waveform. You can see here that on transition to battery the output waveform is non-sine. This type of unit is used for short-term protection and for switch mode power supplies as found in many IT products. The non-sine inverter is given the suffix X, hence this unit is VIX. So in summary, a line interactive UPS with a non-sine inverter is a VIX or VIX unit. A line interactive UPS with a sine wave inverter is a VIS or VIS unit. And an online unit is a VFI UPS, which is always a sine wave unit. I hope you found this of some use, and for further information please visit our website at www.powerinspired.com. Thanks for watching.